Hi guys, today we're going to finish up lesson 10, IGH, 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 I. Sing it with me. IGH, 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 I. Yay, because it really does have an I in it. Woohoo! So today is I can do it. Can you write it? Yes, we can. I bet we can. So we're going to read the sentences. So we're going to read them out loud. So read them out loud. Let your brain hear what you're reading. Then you're going to draw a circle. So we'll practice that around all, ooh, that's a key word, all of the words that have the IGH pattern to spell the long I sound. So it's not all the pattern words. So it's not just the words that we've been working with this week, right? It's not just these words. It's any word that has IGH in it. Any. That's that key word that was in the directions. All of the words. Draw a circle around all of the words that have the IGH pattern to spell the long I sound. And then the third thing, be ready to write the sentences when they are read to you. So maybe your parents read them to you and you write them down. Or, you know, if we get back in the classroom, I might read some to you and you write them down. It's a good way to strengthen your brain. Well, let's circle all the words that have the IGH pattern. Let's read the sentence first. You read it with me. Would you like to see wildlife at twilight or even at midnight? So I'm looking for IGH. No IGH. Now don't just go and look for IGH words. Do this part. Very important to strengthen your brain, practice your reading skills, and listen to what you read. See if you can read it correctly. Practice your fluency. So make sure you do that direction too. Would you like to see wildlife at twilight or even at midnight? None in here. Here's one. Twilight. That's just when the sun is beginning to go down, or in the middle of the night at midnight. So I circled both those words. Said all of them that have IGH pattern. Let's do one more together. Let's read it. You ready? Lions relax in the shade when the sunlight is the brightest. So here's an IGH word, sunlight. That's a compound word. Two words come together to make a bigger word, but they can each stand on their own. Sun and light. Light from the sun. When the sunlight is the brightest. There's another IGH. Now, brightest is not a compound word. It's got bright, but est is not a word on its own. It's a suffix that means the most. Can't be any more than that. All right, I did two of them with you. You can continue to find the rest of the IGH pattern. All of the words that have that pattern, not just the pattern words. All right, let's take a look at the bottom of our paper. Happy endings. Read the words fast. Ooh, got to read the words fast. Okay. Then we're going to draw a box around the main word. Okay. And we're going to underline the ending. I think I can handle that. And it gave us an example. Highest. So the main word is high and est. So read the words fast. I guess I could read them all fast at one time, or I could read them individually fast. Lighter, side, brightest, tighter, lightest, sighing. I could do that, or I could just go lighter and then find it. So you decide how you want to read them. Lighter. Box the main word. So the main word is light. And then suffix er. Light. Lighter. Light is something that helps you see. The sun gives off light. You have light bulbs, a flashlight gives you light to see. And just means it changes into an object that can do that word. A lighter. Maybe you have a lighter in your pantry that your dad or mom uses. Or I guess someone who lights candles could be called a lighter. Let's do the next one. Side. Side. The main word is sigh. Add suffix ed. Happened in the past. Ed. Happened in the past. You want to do one more? All right, let's do the third one. Brightest. Seems we're using that word a lot. Brightest. Bright is the main word. est is the suffix, which means most. I think I'll write that down. Means most. Can't be any brighter than the brightest. All right, you continue and work with those 24 words with a lot of different endings. They also have the ending ly, ing, en. So you're going to box the main word and underline the ending. All right, now you're also going to finish with the last page today, which we do in every single spelling lesson, our Safari Journal. So that's nothing new for you. You know how to do these. We are going on a safari tonight because some animals in the grassland move around more when it is dark. So we're going on a midnight safari. You're going to circle all of the long I, just the pattern words. So just the ones that were in our spelling pattern words on that first page with the IGH spelling that you can find. Then, this is getting complicated. Then we're going to underline all the long IG words, that are not on the pattern word list. They got us tricky, trying to trick us today, but we will not be tricked, will we? Circle the pattern words, underline the IGH words that are not on the pattern word list. So let's take a look. Let's just do the first one together. First sentence. We sighed at the thought of seeing wildlife tonight at midnight. Now, sighed was our pattern word, so I'm going to circle it. Tonight was a pattern word, so I'm going to circle it. And midnight was a pattern word, so I'm going to circle it. So far, we've just had to circle pattern words. But if I continue on, I see a word right here, daylight. That follows the IGH, but it was not a pattern word, so I'm going to underline that one. So do you see what we're doing? Circling the pattern words, underlining the words that follow the pattern IGH. So you might have to flip back and take a look at that first page and see if the word's on there that you like. We've got sunlight, but we don't have daylight. So daylight got underlined. So you're going to go through that whole passage and you're going to circle the pattern words and underline the other IGH words. And then don't forget to do the bottom of our page. You're going to go down here. This is a long story, 177 words. So this is a lot longer than the average second grader can read. So remember, at the end of second grade, most people are reading about 110 words a minute. And this has 177 words. So I would not expect you to read it and understand it in less than a minute. How long does it take you to read it? So you're going to have mom or dad. It's best if you read them out loud. Make an arrow so I make sure I remember to do it. Read it out loud to your mom or dad. Let them enjoy a good story that you're sharing with them. And they can time you while they do it. All right, guys. Find the pattern words. Find the IGH words. Box and underlining the endings. IGH pattern words. You can do it. I have great faith in you. All right. Till I see you again, go out and do great works.